Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today I have a special for you, but you have to guess what it is. Continue guessing and I'll be right back. Stay tuned to Jamaican Cooking 101. Welcome back. What is your guess? Tell me. Alright, well, some of you got it right, some get it wrong. So we're looking at mangoes today. Ripe, common mango, hairy, stringy, whatever you call it, common mango. So I've cut up some and put in bags and get them all frozen for when mango season done. Alright, so we get that in the freezer and let's pay attention to the special that we have for you today. So I have some salt, black pepper and some garlic, and I have scotch bonnet pepper and 2 turn mango. Alright, you could have used other mango other than the hairy, but me used to use hairy mango when we grew up. So I'm peeling the mangoes now, and then of course you know them wash already, so I peel them and I'm gonna slice them up. Make sure you have a container that has a cover and can be covered tightly. So now I'm going in, I'm slicing them real thin. If you want, you can slice them a little thicker. You can figure out is what I'm making yet? Some people don't have a clue, but let's go on. Alright, so once I slice them up, remember you could have real green mango for this, but I have turned mango almost ripe. So I'm gonna add in the salt, the pepper, the garlic powder, and the scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, once you get those in, you need to mix. Stir it well. You have the cover simply because you're going to shake it. Who remember doing this as a child? Or during the summertime, you know when food now cook home, you make sure you sort out your mangoes, and we'd call this pepper pot. So you shake it. Once you finish shaking, you can put it in the fridge to chill, or you can just have it like this. Alright, so I'm going in for the taste, and this is gonna take me way back to childhood days. Yes man, who with me? Anybody can relate? Yes, this name, mango pepper pot. So I'm gonna serve it up like it's real delicacy now, you know. Those persons who are not aware of what this is all about, it is seasoning turned mango or fit mango and having it as a snack. So guys, this is what I call mango delight. Thank you so much for watching Jamaican Cooking 101. Remember to like, share and subscribe.